寒人的原种 Winter in 原种，土豆鸟已经来台湾过冬 ，Left wing already arrived 台湾 for winter。铁水田食温啊，食甲饱饱 ，on wet rice fields eating earthworm。人讲土豆鸟有7种色水 ，People say that left wing has 7 colors: 黑、白、球、红、黄、青、蓝 （black, white, purple, red, yellow, green, blue）。因袂食土豆，人会食土豆，嘛会食钱。They won't eat peanut, people do. Also eat money. 其他豆鸟嘛加入这阵土豆鸟。Another friend joined this party. 来三房咖啡食 latte， 休困一下 ，having a latte in some fun coffee and take a break。路卡嘛走找物件来食 ，bread wing still searching something to eat。铁课堂水田洗分数免落厝水 ，bed on rice field in 课堂don't need pay rent。正面 front face。